To apply for a Sofi Bank USA credit card, here are the simple steps. 1. Visit the Sofi website. Go to the official Sofi website and navigate to the Credit Card section. You can usually find this under Banking or Products. 2. Explore available credit cards. Review the different Sofi credit card options. As of late 2024, Sofi offers cards like the Sofi Unlimited 2% credit card, Sofi Everyday Cash Rewards credit card, and the Sofi Essential credit card. Compare their rewards, benefits, fees, especially annual fees, though many Sofi cards have none, and APRs to see which best fits your needs. 3. Check for pre-qualification, recommended. Sofi often offers a pre-qualification process. This allows you to see if you're likely to be approved without impacting your credit score. Look for a Check for Pre-Qualified Offers or similar button. 4. Gather your information. Before starting the application, make sure you have the following ready. Personal information, full name, address, including your residency status, date of birth, and social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Financial information, annual income and monthly housing payment. Employment information, your employment status. 5. Start the online application. Once you've chosen a card or checked for pre-qualification, click on the Apply Now or similar button. You will be directed to an online application form. 6. Fill out the application form. Carefully and accurately complete all the required fields with the information you gathered. 7. Review and submit. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. 8. Wait for a decision. Sofi will review your application. You might receive a decision relatively quickly online, or it could take a few days or weeks. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. Important considerations. Credit score. Sofi will check your credit report as part of the application process. Having a good to excellent credit score will increase your chances of approval and potentially qualify you for better terms. Residency. You typically need to be a US citizen, green card holder, or non-permanent resident alien to apply. 1 Sofi credit card. Sofi generally allows only one Sofi credit card per member. If you already have a Sofi credit card, you might not be approved for a new one. Applying online is generally the quickest and most convenient way to apply for a Sofi credit card. Good luck.